Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Makaut Engineering Information. Hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about Java programming language in 2023. So let's get right into the video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and share the past videos and new upcoming videos. Let's start. Are you wondering if you should learn Java in 2023? The answer is simple, yes. As the world moves more towards mobile apps and convenience, Java is becoming more and more instrumental as a language. It's one of the strongest languages we see, ranked third most popular with recruiters in the last 2 years. It's true that during the pandemic, there have been fewer jobs available. But that's true across the board, and it's still a highly in-demand language. It's definitely worth it to learn Java in 2023. What is Java? While everyone who's been online since the 1990s has seen the Java logo, not everyone will know what it is. Java is a programming language invented in 1995 that has grown into one of the most important digital languages, including being used on an estimated 3 billion devices. Java continues to be a huge player in the software development world. It's used across every industry you can think of, including banking, and retail, as well as being an important language for Android phones and apps. So, should you learn Java in 2023? While it's certainly not on the rise like Python, Java is earmarked to continue to be a major language for software and web development for the foreseeable future. What is Java used for? Java is an object-oriented language that is free to use and can run on all platforms, which has been a big asset, and the mediums we use to interact with the internet continues to diversify with phones, tablets, and even watches. Java is used for mobile app development, game development, big data, machine learning, open source development, stock market algorithms. Java is built on the foundation of C and C++ but was created with the intention of making things simpler so it's easier for beginners. Advantages of Java. Simple. Java was made for newly minted coders and also has a very active online community that makes it easy to collaborate and learn quickly. Secure. Once completed, all code in Java is converted to bytecode, making it impossible for a human to understand. Multi-threaded. Java supports multiple threads of execution. Versatile. Java's use of bytecode allows it to be used with any programming language. 6 reasons to learn Java. Java is friendly for beginners. As mentioned in this video, Java is an ideal language for those learning how to code. Java is a great language to help you get on the coding ground floor and navigate your way through the world of software development. Plus, with a relatively high salary, Java is great for entry-level coders to learn as they expand their knowledge into other languages and grow their careers. Java is not going anywhere. Over the last few years, Java has held a pretty steady position, always having at least 60,000 jobs available. While Python is a rising star, jumping ahead in the last few years, it hasn't affected Java's popularity. There's a reason that Java is known as the workhorse of the programming world. And we don't see this status changing anytime soon. We predict that Java will continue to be one of the top 3 languages for a long time to come. Java is a versatile and flexible language. During the pandemic, people have been forced to work from home when possible. This was a big challenge for companies, as they didn't necessarily have the systems or equipment in place to allow their employees that flexibility. Instead of supplying everyone with a new device, many people were forced to work on their own devices, a combination of laptops, mobile phones, and tablets. This was a trend, even before the coronavirus. People were steadily bringing more and more of their own devices into the workplace. And it'll keep happening. That's good news for Java developers. Java is a language designed to work on any operating system, Mac, Windows, or even Android. It's agnostic, and that makes it incredibly popular with companies looking to develop their internal software, as they need to make sure it'll work on all their employees' devices. Safely, securely, and reliably, Java is in demand. Over the last few years, the number of mobile app downloads has steadily been increasing. In 2020, there were around 150 billion in total. And this is set to rise to nearly 184 billion if Sensor Tower is right. This is a good sign for Java programmers. Most Android apps, the green bar above, are coded in Java. This is the number of total downloads, rather than the number of apps. But as the number of downloads increases, so too does the number of apps. Businesses want to create their own apps. They want to get their customers on their own platforms, so they can push notifications and market their products. And if people are downloading more and more, then brands will be more incentivized to create their own apps and hop onto that bandwagon. This makes Java programmers particularly attractive as they're going to be key to bringing in new customers. Java developers make great money. Java developers are paid an average of $99,000 across the US, plenty of entry level. Java developers will see salaries above the $70,000 mark, but those working in tech hubs or big cities should expect higher pages right off the bat. A Java developer's salary can go as high as $120,000 in some places, making it a great option if you're focused on one language. Java has a supportive community. Since Java has been around since the 90s and its popularity has continued throughout the years, there's a huge online community of Java developers who are happy to help regardless of your skill level. Check out communities offered by Oracle, jcp.org, and Stack Overflow. Build tools. In order to build Java projects, you should be familiar with various build tools. Following are some of the tools for building your Java project: and Navin, reddy, Java APIs. APIs are very important software components packed with the JDK. They generally include interfaces, user interfaces, and classes. They facilitate developers to integrate numerous websites and applications whilst offering real-time information. Following are some of the Java APIs to learn about: Java I/O, Java Concurrency, Java Collections Framework, Java Frameworks. Java has a broad ecosystem, which means that there are various frameworks and libraries for anything and everything. Some frameworks a Java developer should learn are as follows: Hibernate, Log4j, JUnit, Spring Boot, Spring General Knowledge development skills for your Java developer roadmap. Learn about Git and how to create a few repositories on GitHub. Make sure to share your coding with others. Git is a valuable tool for version control and project management. Familiarize yourself with HTTPS protocol, request methods, delete, get, options, post, put, patch. If you haven't become a Google search expert, learn how, especially using advanced search techniques. Read up on algorithms and data structures. Learn about Docker and how to deploy projects in Docker containers. Java developer career options. There are many Java-based developer career options to choose from. They include junior developer. Consider this an entry-level position. Everyone starts here. Junior developers write, test, analyze, and debug code. Senior developer, they oversee an entire project, write some code, and act as a liaison to management. Java web developer, this position typically emphasizes back-end development, and the developer is responsible for deploying and maintaining the code on the server side. Since many servers are moving to the cloud these days, developers should have experience and skills in coding within a cloud environment. Java architect, conventional architects design buildings. Java architects design and develop an application's layout. Java E developer, these developers build and maintain enterprise-level software and typically get hired by big companies. Java Android developer, the Android mobile operating system market share is considerably greater than iOS, so there's a greater demand for professionals who can build or add features to Android-based apps. Learn Jenkins to help you master the concepts of continuous integration, continuous deployment, CD. Project management software like Jira to help track issues and bugs.